My mother, her name is Claudette. She was actually my very first inspiration when it came to beauty and life and energy and elegance. People were always telling her how beautiful she was, and as a kid you feel all the vibrations in the room. At a very young age, I was very, very conscious how people were looking at her. I was very lucky to have a very glamorous mother. She was my first model. Blush was really her secret. She always felt like she couldn't leave the house if she didn't have a little bit of color on her cheeks. Her eyes, of course, were a great focus point on her face because she has still those amazing green eyes, so it was fun to actually do a smoky eye. My mother taught me a lot about never overdoing it. She really helped me focus on a makeup that would not go against the person. Makeup is freedom.